Hey guys, if you are looking for best electric fillet knife for cleaning fish, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best electric fillet knife for cleaning fish on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products I mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Bubba Ion Cordless Electric Fillet Knife. It is ideal for small, medium, and large fish. The ergonomic, non-slip handle fits your hand like a glove. It comes with 4 high-carbon stainless steel blades that glide through meats effortlessly. They are double riveted for strength and removable for easy cleaning. The titanium-coated non-stick blades are exceptionally corrosion-resistant, a plus for the saltwater fisherman. Trigger-operated, battery time is the longest in the business. Fillet 100 fish or more on a single charge. The kit comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries and a USB charging cord. You'll never be tied down to an outlet again. Safety features include a trigger lock and guard that protect your fingers from cuts. The package comes complete with the knife, blades, batteries, and charger, neatly packaged in an EVA molded case that offers excellent protection for blade tips. The price is worth mentioning. It's a bit steep, but among similar models, it's more powerful and better refined for fatigue-free filleting. If you get what you pay for, you're getting more than your money's worth with the Bubba. Now our second choice is Rapala Heavy-Duty Electric Fillet Knife. Rapala's heavy-duty fillet knife is a pint-sized powerhouse. Made of the highest quality materials, it makes quick work of the toughest to fillet fish with twice the speed and 3 times the power of similar models. The knife comes with a single, 7.5-inch reciprocating blade. Dishwasher safe. It disassembles quickly for cleaning. The push-button operated handle features an ergonomic grip that feels stable in your hand. The flexible 8-foot cord is long enough for working comfortably around the fillet table. What's not to like? For the inexperienced user, a tool this powerful without a safety guard is risky. The motor is single speed, so there's no option to slow it down. Take your time and be safe. An extra blade and a carrying case would have been nice perks, but we can't ask for more for the price. It's an excellent value. Now number 3, American Angler Pro Electric Fillet Knife. The American Angler Pro is trusted by more sportsmen and commercial anglers than any other brand. The powerful motor delivers twice the torque of bargain brands for smooth, consistent cutting action through the thickest bone. 8-inch heavy-duty blades are strong and durable yet flexible enough for ultimate maneuverability. Kits come with 5 blades for maximum cutting precision on all types of freshwater and ocean fish. The ergonomic handle reduces stress on the hand and wrist for hours of filleting comfort. The advanced airflow design keeps the motor cool so that it doesn't overheat. American Angler backs this knife with a 2-year warranty, twice the national average. They're confident in their products. You'll do a double take over the price. But few filleting knives offer this much power plus an enviable accessory package, including American Angler's legendary shark blade, a carrying pouch, and a cut-proof glove. If you're a pro, it's the only knife you need. At number 4, Rapala Deluxe Electric Fillet Knife. Ideal for the outdoor enthusiast, Rapala's Deluxe filleting knife plugs into an AC outlet, a trolling motor battery, or your car's lighter. Its fierce motor makes easy work of any filleting chore. These knives come with 6 and 7.5-inch detachable reciprocating blades. This latest version comes with a lightweight, 18-foot power cord for car side convenience. It operates quietly in low-noise areas, so go ahead and enjoy an early morning catch for breakfast your fellow campers won't mind. The relaxed grip handle is a pleasure to hold. Well ventilated, it stays cool in your hand. Blades release with the push of a button for quick cleaning. The kit comes complete with 12-volt post clips, a 110-volt AC adapter for use with the generator or wall outlet, and a 12-volt lighter plus a durable carry case. Budget-friendly for home or travel, it's ready wherever and whenever you are. At number 5, Mr. Twister Electric Knife. Featuring 30% more power and 50% more torque than previous models, the simple, versatile design is a favorite among no-frill sportsmen. It comes with a single, detachable blade for filleting trout to prime rib, cooked, frozen up, or raw. Cords are coiled in one tangle. The comfortable handle features a trigger with a safety lock. We'd like the blade guard to be a little wider for larger hands, and as always, a case or pouch is always handy. But for less than the price of a fish and chip dinner, it's affordable enough to buy one for the kitchen and another for the road. All the product we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.